Inanzi kutomboziya kuti vanhu mukuramba muchindishungurudzira heye magic wakakanganisa iyo nyaya yekuti this girl akauya kushop neboyfriend yake vachizotenga boots and okay, yes, I do admit kuti musikana wanga akanaka. Yes, she was beautiful. I think sometimes they tombovarairwa nchimutarisa so nchiyeverwa, she was beautiful, but at the same time the couple itself, her and her boyfriend, they were so vangari kanga vibe so kekuti wainyatsonakirwa uchivatarisa so they were so into each other zvokuti at some time vaita kakuedzana bhutsu. Mufesi wacho achimbomira ndimuedze inini ndiedze girlfriend yangu bvaedza bhutsu vachikomentana. Zvainakidza wangu. They were a beautiful couple, but then Mskana Bandit, I know your page is almost at 30,000 followers on Instagram. I wouldn't mind if you take us pictures and videos and post to my happy clients post. I will not see it. And I was like, yeah, Kondorambire. It's beautiful content, and Kwatiri beautiful content sells, attract more clients. But so that Torah my videos, you know me. Kananda Torah my videos. You believe this. That Torah my videos. But unfortunately, that day I couldn't post because I had to edit the videos. And I posted, so it was on a Saturday. Sunday I went to school. I remember me complaining about my ancestors. I didn't even get a sip. So I 2 weeks. Ndichinyora my exams. So ndadzoka 2 weeks back about I think yesterday edit a video riya ndanyatsoisa ka sound kakanaka kari beautiful ndabva ndaposta video riya wangu. It was beautiful. I've never been proud of myself posting something, then boom, 2 hours later the post is almost at 1,000 likes. Mskana akundifonera hakuta kundifonera popota, ye wandirambisa nembinga yangu ndandatone imwe mbinga yangu. I'm like, yeah, like nai guys mbonibatsire ndakanganisa papa kwenini nembinga yake wangu.